Holy shit. I just f***ing witnessed it near Cruncher. Oh shit. Yeah. You idiot. Drive the wrong way down the f***ing road, why don't you? Jesus Christ. Thank you.
Over the bridge. Whee! Whose responsibility is to fix that one?
Disgusting.
That's why you don't cut corners. That's why you don't cut corners.
Where the f*** are you going? Fucking wanker. You idiot! You wanker! Tree.
Yeah, I wouldn't bother overtaking him. There's a red light there.
Yeah.
He's just going to go straight up the side of you again.
Oh no! Is that some amazing planning there that's gone wrong? Now you're stuck in the middle of a junction.
Someone that sees her though makes a beeline for her because she's pretty.
Didn't even look. It's pulled out, didn't even look.
She's in a Tesla.
Doesn't have to look. Bloody hell. And then went through a no entry to get to the roundabout.
All I'm saying, you do what you want. I'm not trying to help.
I know you're trying to help.
But if I just think it's car as low as yours, I struggle to get in and out of it. It's all over the road. That's
that taxi wants to come over. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, no plate again.
Yeah. No helmets. And watch them fly off as soon as the speed limit goes down. They make people like these in our lab, I swear to God.
Jeez, the state of this.
But I think that next step is going to be that
That pothole's so famous, it's got its own cone. Potholes and being fixed in real time. Oh, naughty boy!
係有個國籍選擇。OK， 你係要做國籍選擇，英國家國籍定係英國唔會想。What's going on here?
Ta-da, ta-da.
What is that?
Go on, you bad bitch. Can't bear you. That's it from up and then like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fucking idiot.
That's double white.
I know.
Yellows on a bend.
Solid white.
Solid whites on a bend.
Get that.
Nice if they'd take 350 for it.
Yep, that's some great parking there, Pooba. Stick your indicator on and it'll be alright. Don't worry about any inconvenience anyone else.
36-month plan and
Oh, somebody's happy that the lorry's having to do that. What a place to break down.
Yeah.
Not the best place to break down, but then again, where is a good place to break down?
I've lost a wheel. Yeah, it's lost a wheel. It's lost a wheel.
I didn't know it at the time, but on like a Wednesday, my grandma had another fall in the garden.
Nice CL in front of me. Are you Googling problems now?
No, no.
Wow, look at this coming back.
And returned to try and get on the bus. Now, this bus driver was dismissed by his employer, which is Metro Line, for, wait for it,
We are heading this way.
Oh, yeah. What was the sign on it say?
No idea, I didn't read the sign, I was too busy looking at the pretty lights.
Pretty light.